Today, there are two things that I want to help you with. Number one, I want to help you create content easily and efficiently. And number two, I want to help you create content that converts. Before we start creating content, I want you to stop for a moment and just think of when you were the most happiest. Maybe it's first thing of the morning, you're going for a run, going for a walk with your dog, going for a swim at the beach. I want you to tap into that feeling and that mindset. When you are creating content, you need to be in that frame of mind because you want your audience to feel the same way that you do. Because if you're talking about the program in your content, then you are trying to sell and you don't want to be selling the program. You want to be showing people the destination. You want to be sharing with them the outcome and the feeling that they are going to experience when they've achieved their outcome. Because people want to feel good about themselves. They want to be proud that they've actually achieved their goals. People want to connect with you because they want to know that there is a solution to their problems. And when people connect with you, they'll get to know you, like you, and trust you. So the best way to create content that converts is to understand and know who your ideal customer is. What does your ideal customer want? What do they desire? And what do they want to achieve in life? For most people, there's two things that they want to achieve: more time in their life to spend with their kids, to travel, to play golf, to go to the gym, to go to the beach, and they want more money to travel, more money to pay off the car loans, the mortgage, the rent. Understanding who your ideal customer is critical to your success. And to give you an insight as to who your ideal customer is, it is a younger version of yourself. Think about you 12 months ago. Where were you? What challenges and problems were you experiencing? Think about the why you wanted to change those circumstances. Think about why you wanted to start an online business. And remember your why, because your ideal customers have a similar desire to you. Do you want to spend more time with your kids? Do you want to travel more with your family? Do you want to pay off the home loan, pay the rent, buy a new car? Maybe you want to quit your job and work from home full time. When you know your why, then you can create content to talk to your ideal customer because they want what you have. So what topics can you talk about in your business that's going to attract your ideal customer? And one of the secrets to creating content is that you can talk about the same topics week in, week out. So you do not need to have a list of 100 different topics to talk about and overthink, what should I create today? So when I was wanting to start a new online business at the beginning of 2024, I wrote down 6 things that I wanted in my business. Number one was a low investment. I did not want to be spending $10,000 into coaching or $5,000 into learning one new skill set, like becoming a Facebook ads marketer, or having ongoing costs of a program or a software that was $500 a month. I also didn't want to have a coach that was going to be charging me $1,000 a month, because I wanted a business that was going to be profitable and that I could see the results from my actions in the first 2 to 4 weeks. Number 2 was no or low tech, because I'm not a tech guy. I'm an analytical guy. I'm a numbers guy. I didn't want to be setting up any complicated funnels or wasting months of my time trying to build a website, because I wanted a business that I could plug in and play and get going as fast as I could. Number 3 was not to be running any paid ads. There's a lot of different programs out there that will talk about running paid ads to start to get your first few clients. And I did not want to be investing thousands of dollars every month running Facebook ads to generate customers. I wanted a simple process that I could follow, where I could learn how to create short form vertical content and upload that content onto platforms like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, that would build my brand, my following, my email list, and generate leads. Number 4 was 100% commissions. Between 2020 and 2023, I was doing high ticket affiliate marketing, selling programs between $3,000 and $5,000. I was building my following by jumping into Facebook groups and adding friends, posting in Facebook groups to build my brand, and spending half my day in the DMs having conversations. And the online business that I wanted, I didn't want to have to be doing that, because I didn't want to be spending half my day on my computer or on my phone in the DMs, adding friends, and wasting my time on 45-minute Zoom calls on people that I'd never be able to close. And having a business where I could earn 100% commissions of the sales was a big win for me in my business, because I didn't have to wait 14 to 30 days to be paid by the affiliate owner. Next was to work less than 2 hours every day. I wanted to simplify my business so I could walk away from my computer and not have to be glued to my phone. I wanted more time to spend with my daughter, to go to the gym, to go to the beach, to travel overseas, and to do the things that I love to do. And the sixth thing that I wanted inside of my business was automations. So in order for me to free up my time, I wanted a simple follow-up sequence so I could actually educate my audience on social media about who I am, what I do, who I help, and how I help them start, grow, and scale an online business using social media and short-form vertical content, and leveraging tools like Opus Pro, Repurpose.io, and YouTube to grow my business. And using automations meant that I didn't have to send any more cold DMs, add any friends on Facebook, or jump on any 45-minute Zoom calls. I could simply send people over to my YouTube channel to watch a few videos so they can get to know me, like me, and trust me. And then I can send them over to watch a free webinar to see if building an online business and learning the skills around social media and creating short-form video content to grow their online business was of interest to them and if they were a great fit to work with me. By creating content like this, I was attracting my ideal customers to my business who were ready to take out their credit card and to take action. By pushing away my ideal customers over to my YouTube channel, it helped me build my brand, build my following, generate leads, solve problems, and it made the serious people that had a problem that they want solved raise their hands, say yes, and pull out their credit card and to buy from me. And this happens automatically inside of my business. So I don't have to be wasting time on Messenger or Zoom calls trying to persuade people to buy. All they had to do was to watch my content, understand the problems that I solved for my clients, and if they wanted their problem solved, they simply said yes. And when they understood that they could solve that problem that they were experiencing in their business for less than $1,000, they took out their credit card and said yes again. It was these 6 things that I wanted in my business. I wanted to create a lifestyle marketing business that revolved around my family and my schedule. I did not want to create another job that was going to tie me to my desk and I'd have to be on my computer for 8 hours a day. I wanted an online business that was going to work for me 24/7, even while I slept or spent 14 to 24 hours on a plane traveling halfway around the world so I could spend more time with my family. I knew when I found a business that ticked all of these requirements that I had something special in front of me because I've run a 6-figure marketing business in the past. But that business had me tied to a desk and I was missing precious moments with my daughter. So I want you to take the time today to write down the 6 things that you want in your lifestyle marketing business. When you understand what makes you happy, what makes you move, what makes you pull out the credit card and say yes, then you can tap into the mindset of your ideal customers and get them to take action and to buy from you. So let me ask you, when you're sick of Googling how to start an online business and downloading all of the free PDFs from those affiliate marketing programs that you're a part of, or coaches and consultants that keep reeling you in with their free offers, then I'd love to be able to share with you a free blueprint on how you can start your online business. So imagine starting your own online business with a low investment of less than $1,000 and up to $900 per sale, create short-form vertical content that talks to your ideal customers, work less than 2 hours a day, have your website and emails working for you 24/7 to build your personal brand and your following on social media so you can spend more time with your kids and travel with your family, all without having to jump onto Zoom calls, sliding into the cold DMs on Facebook, and spending all day on your phone and computer. How cool would that business be for you? Now, I'd love to share this free blueprint that I follow and that our community of over 40,000 people follow, so they can learn and master these skills and be paid for sharing their online business with their ideal customers. When you are ready, drop a #ready in the comments and I'll share with you how you can get started.